You might think your muscles are fading because of age, but what if I told you? It's the food on your plate that's speeding it up. One slice of healthy toast, a spoon of low-fat yogurt, even the oil in your pan. These small choices may be quietly stealing your strength, not in a dramatic way, but in a way that shows up when stairs feel harder, bags feel heavier, and you feel smaller. Let's uncover 5 foods that quietly destroy muscle after 60, and how to fix them naturally. After 60, you start losing muscle at 3 times the rate of someone in their 30s. But this isn't just aging, it's sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. And while it's natural, it doesn't have to be this fast. The foods we eat every day, often labeled heart-healthy or diet-friendly, may be fueling inflammation, blocking protein absorption, and triggering silent muscle decay. But here's the good news. You can turn it around. Let's begin. 1. Low-fat yogurt. The protein trick. It's easy to fall for the label. Low-fat sounds clean, safe, light. And for years, it was praised as the smarter choice. But after 60, your muscles stop listening unless you speak loud enough. And low-fat yogurt whispers too softly to be heard. See, your body needs 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal just to maintain muscle mass. That's not a goal. It's a biological threshold. Hit it, and you turn on muscle repair. Miss it, and your body moves on without trying. Low-fat yogurt often gives you just 6 to 9 grams. It feels like breakfast, but it doesn't count. Imagine watering a garden with an eyedropper. The soil stays damp, but nothing grows. Your muscles are like that garden. They need real hydration, not spritzes. The fix is simple. Choose full-fat Greek yogurt. Double the protein, plus fat that helps absorb key nutrients. Top it with chia seeds or a spoon of walnuts. Now you've got a meal that doesn't just fill, it fuels. After 60, nutrition isn't about eating less. It's about feeding what still wants to grow. And some mornings, as your hands feel steadier, lifting your cup of tea, you'll realize the quiet strength returned when the spoon got heavier. 2. Whole wheat bread, the hidden saboteur. You've probably heard it your whole life. Choose whole wheat. It's better for your heart. So you did. You swapped white for brown. You ate it dry. You even felt proud of your sandwich. But what no one told you is this. Most store-bought whole wheat bread is still refined. It digests quickly, spikes blood sugar fast, and for seniors, that triggers an enzyme called FOXO3, which literally tells your body to break down muscle tissue. In fact, whole wheat bread can spike your blood sugar 3 times faster than sweet potatoes, faster than honey, even faster than some candy bars. And that spike, it creates an insulin crash. And when your insulin dips, your muscle-building machinery shuts off. It's like turning on the lights and pulling the plug 2 seconds later. A 72-year-old woman, a retired marathon walker, swapped from wheat toast to sprouted grain bread. Within 6 weeks, she could climb stairs again without holding the rail. Not because she exercised more, but because she stopped blocking her body's ability to rebuild. Choose sprouted grain, sourdough, or Ezekiel-style bread. Higher in leucine, slower digestion, better protein use. And remember, sometimes it's not what you've been avoiding. It's what you've been trusting that slowly lets you down. That slice you thought was safe, it might be the reason your legs feel just a little heavier today. 3. Processed sugar, the silent muscle killer. It's not just about candy. Sugar hides in places you'd never expect. The heart-healthy cereal, that flavored yogurt, even your low-fat salad dressing. And the scary part? You may not taste it, but your muscles feel it. See, sugar doesn't directly damage muscle. It does something worse. It dulls the signal that allows your body to use protein properly. When you eat sugar, your insulin spikes. But in older adults, insulin doesn't work as efficiently. So that spike crashes quickly. And when it does, your cells stop absorbing protein. You might eat a perfect meal, chicken, lentils, vegetables, but if it came after a sugary drink, your muscles never get the message. It's like mailing a letter with the wrong stamp. Everything's in the envelope, but it never arrives. Over time, this creates false nutrition. Your plate looks full, but your strength slowly empties. Fix it gently. You don't have to quit sweets overnight. Start with a swap. Frozen grapes and a handful of walnuts. Natural sugar paired with fat that slows absorption and calms inflammation. Because sugar doesn't just hurt your teeth, it quietly starves the part of you that's trying to stay strong. One swap, one spoonful. That's how you begin again, not with guilt, but with awareness. 4. Vegetable oils, the inflammation trap. It sounds like the healthier choice. Vegetable oil, light, clear, neutral. It even has vegetable in the name. But the truth is, many common vegetable oils, like soybean, corn, and canola, are ultra-processed, chemically extracted, and packed with omega-6 fats that silently stir up inflammation inside your body. And inflammation, that's not just about pain or swelling. It's about how your muscles recover, or don't. Chronic low-grade inflammation confuses your system. Your muscles stop repairing as efficiently. Your joints feel tighter. Your strength fades, slowly, without warning. It's like oiling a door with the wrong grease. At first it swings fine, but over time it starts to resist. Squeak, creak, stiffness, and eventually it sticks. You didn't notice it right away. You were just cooking eggs or stir-frying veggies, trying to eat clean. But the wrong oil, it builds up like a fog in your joints and your strength. The switch? Extra virgin olive oil, rich in oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that nourishes muscle tissue, supports joint glide, and calms the fire inside. It's not flashy, but it's faithful. Because sometimes it's not the weight you're lifting. It's the oil you're cooking with that decides whether your knees still follow you tomorrow. 5. Skipping breakfast, the missed muscle window. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but for seniors, it's not just important. It might be your only shot at muscle repair. After 60, your body becomes less sensitive to food signals. Protein doesn't stick as easily. Your muscles don't respond unless they're triggered at the right time. And that window? It's within 2 hours of waking up. Skip breakfast, and your body drifts into conservation mode. It starts burning slower. And muscle, it assumes it's no longer needed, so it begins to release. You don't notice it in one day, but over time, your legs grow quieter, your arms hesitate just a little longer, and your energy feels like it always belongs to the afternoon. The fix isn't big, no protein shakes, no eggs Benedict, just something small and powerful. Like Greek yogurt with chia seeds, a hard-boiled egg with half a banana, even warm lentils over toast. It's not about fullness, it's about reminding your muscles. You're still needed, because strength after 60 isn't built in the gym. It's built in the first 10 minutes of your morning. So next time you think about skipping breakfast, just remember, silence in the morning sometimes echoes in the knees. You followed the advice. Low fat, whole wheat. You skipped breakfast because your appetite was smaller. And yet, your muscles feel quieter now. Your strength a little slower. Your steps a little softer. Maybe it wasn't just age. Maybe it was missing the right message, the one your body needed after 60. And now that you've heard it, what's one thing you'd do differently? Starting this week, every bite you take is a message to your brain, to your blood, to your muscles that are listening, even now. And they don't need perfect. They just need consistent. They need you. Comment strong below if you're replacing just one food this week. Share this video with someone who still skips the yolk or avoids fat. They deserve clarity, not confusion. And partner, we're not done. Next week, we're sharing the 3-minute kitchen workout that helped an 81-year-old regain his legs. No gym, no standing, just a chair, and a quiet commitment. Subscribe now, because your strength, it's not gone. It's just been waiting to be fed right.